That was the reason I said yes. मैंने कहा क्या पति को मारना है? Yes. And then we're like, why should we die? Life is too precious. Let's just bloody kill them.
So hey guys, this is Mahima and today we have with us the very beautiful Mona Singh from Z5's upcoming web show Black Widows.
Hello.
Hi Mona, you look beautiful.
Thank you. So do you.
Thanks. So jumping right into your web show Black Widows, what is it about? Tell us something about your character. The trailer was absolutely deadly.
Thank you. You see, everybody, from the time the first trailer got launched, everybody went, gaga about the entire cast, the way it is looking. I am very happy to be a part of the show because not only because of the story, but also because of the ensemble cast and the way it is shot, the beautiful locations that we visited, because normally I don't think I would have gone so far just for a holiday. We went to a location called Purulia, which is 9 hours drive from Calcutta, and it was so worth it. I can't tell you how beautiful the locations are. It's going to be very refreshing for the viewers to watch the show. Yes, it is an adaptation of the original Black Widow show, but ours is definitely Indianized. It is women play the main center cast in the show, killing their husbands, planning the killing and plotting about all of that. It was very exciting. I've never done something like this, and the minute I heard about the concept, I just jumped at it.
So tell us something about your character. I mean, you've done all types of genres before, but this is the first time that you're playing such a gray shaded character. What's it all about?
Yes. I had so much fun because I don't think like Veera does, because I'm playing Veera Mehrotra in the show, and I can't think like that. So the entire script, the dialogues are beautiful. There's great comic timing. There's dark humor. Veera is a very balanced kind of a person, but she does plan the killing. All these women want to get rid of their husbands, and Veera has a daughter who she's very close to and very possessive about. So there is problem in the marriage. Sharad Kelkar plays my husband as Jatin Mehrotra. So there are things, which happen in the show, and the way we start planning killing, because first we think कि हम ही मर जाते हैं, छोड़ो क्या करना है. And then we're like, why should we die? Life is too precious. Let's just bloody kill them. And that is the time, when the story starts to unfold. The cops go behind us because obviously we are not professional killers. And we do leave some, clues behind, and we keep getting stuck in that whole process of killing. So, yeah, I really had a blast.
And what about Amir Ali? I mean, we saw like a minute of romance between you guys, but we loved it. So
yeah,
what about
I've
him?
never worked with him. It was a very refreshing pair because nobody thought of Amir and me. And nobody thought of Sharad and me as well. It's great casting. It's very refreshing to be working with these people. Amir is playing a very sweet guy, very innocent guy who believes anything you tell him. And I'm making a fool out of him in the show. Veera is using him to the hilt. Veera is that mean. I'm not like that in my personal life. And I was like, wow, this is such a challenge. मुझे तो मजा आ गया. So my director was telling me, Mona, ऐसे नहीं इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करते हैं. So I loved it. I loved it.
So, okay, Mona, so right now during the lockdown also and during this pandemic, OTT platforms are basically like the main source of entertainment for the Indian audience or basically audience everywhere, worldwide. So,
yes.
I mean, there are so many web shows that have come out in the past few months. According to you, what is that one thing about your web show that stands out from the rest? I mean, ekdam hi alag.
Like I told you, it is the brilliant star cast. We're there from Bombay. There's Amir, there's Shamita, there is Sharad Kelkar, me, Shruti. Then from Calcutta, we have the best of actors. We have Sabyasachi, we have Param Brata, we have Swastika. They're beautiful. So when you see the show on as a whole, it's like great casting, great performances. Everyone has their own, story to tell. There is this character sketch for everyone. And, the way the season ends, people will definitely want to, wait for season 2 to come and to know what actually happened. So it's gripping. It is dark humor. You can sit with your family and watch the show, which is very rare when it comes to OTT platforms. Otherwise, there's so many abuses and expletives and sex and drugs. It's not happening in the show. Of course, it is there, but very little.
Wow, that's wonderful. I'm really excited about the season 2 bit that you just said.
Yeah, me too.
So you've done many more shows on OTT. There's Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai, and there's another show on Z. So have you enjoyed your OTT stint more than television? Because you've been working on television also for so long.
It's been almost 4 years. I haven't done anything on television. Also because, what happens is it just gets too monotonous. I can't be on one set for 1 year or 2 years and work with the same people and do the same thing and play the same character. So I think OTT has spoiled me rotten. Yeah, you start a show, you get a bound script, you have your rehearsals, you have your workshops, you're all ready, So when you go to shoot, you are the character. But that unfortunately does not happen on TV. You don't get so much of time to prep. You don't get the entire script. You don't know what are the twists and turns. OTT, I have embraced OTT so much is because of this. Because you shoot only for 3 months, then you get another script, you get onto another show, you get onto another character, and I love it. I love being in all these garbs and playing different roles after every 3 to 6 months. And the storytelling, the content is beautiful. Like especially during lockdown, we all watched so many shows. I loved Patal Lok. It was brilliant writing, and binge watching is one of the best things that's happened to OTT. You don't have to wait for another Monday to watch the episode ki ab kya hoga.
Okay, so would you say TV is a little bit more restricted that way?
It is restricted when it comes to in terms of content. When it comes to in terms of quality, yes, there is quality, but quality is there only in the first 5 or first 10 episodes to establish, and then it just boom, loses its essence. Then it's all about rating. Abhi kya twist laye, which character is working, let's increase that track. It is different, it is fun. But when you talk about OTT, it is all about content. It is about great writing, great acting, casting. There's not just one heroine in OTT. There's an entire cast that comes together, which rarely happens on TV.
And also, I have to be really honest, we've seen you be a more versatile actor on different web shows than we ever did on television, because you've played a married woman in 2-3 shows now, but it's also different in Ye Meri Family.
Very different.
You're so different in that show. Here you're different. I mean, we are literally blown away. But so basically, you have worked in almost all genres possible. Which have you enjoyed the most?
Ye Meri Family definitely takes the cake. I loved it. I loved playing that because I have never been that. When you do TV and you're playing a mother to 2 kids or 3 kids, the mother is so loving and so giving and always crying and surrendering to every situation in TV, which was completely different when it came to Ye Meri Family. This mother is the real mother. She slaps the kid. She gets angry. She does not pray to God all the time कि मेरे बच्चे को ठीक कर दो. She was a real mother, like how our mothers are. So yes, that was one stint that I really enjoyed. My second being Mom, Mission Over Mars, this Bengali scientist, I loved. And now Veera is my latest because you're playing a killer. You're playing a lady who's killed her husband. I was like, what? It's crazy. These are the opportunities one gets only on OTT platform.
So any more upcoming projects in the pipeline? Like web shows?
Web shows, well, there are a few, but I haven't really finalized. Right now I'm reading scripts and I'm also writing scripts. I want to make something. We have so many stories to tell. We've experienced so much in life. So I was thinking, why not just, sit and write and use my time. So during lockdown, I did, write a few stories. So I'm working on that. Yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see. I'm also doing Lal Singh Chadda. So my 3 days are left to shoot now, which will happen next year. So abhi to chutti in December. I'm only waiting for Black Widows to release and binge watch it with my family, and then go for New Year somewhere and come back and start working.
Your fans are also super excited for Black Widows, and they're also excited about seeing you once again with Amir Khan and Kareena Kapoor. I mean, how was the
I
reunion
know.
like?
So uncanny. It's so uncanny because I remember when I'd gone for the narration, I was asking Advait, our director, I was like, who's playing this character? And he's like, that is Kareena. You don't know? I was like, no, I had no idea. I was like, what? I was like, we all are working after 2009. And imagine the three of us coming back together after so many years. I was like, wow, this is brilliant. Amir sir, of course, being a perfectionist, Kareena being who she is, she's a diva, and she's super fun to be with. She loves talking about food, and while we were shooting in Punjab, everybody was talking about food and eating and where to go and eat. Of course, it was before the pandemic, but I had a great time.
The good old days.
Yes, the good old days when we weren't carrying sanitizers or wearing masks and hugging people.
So, okay, Mona, before we take your leave, there's one more tiny question. Is there
Yes.
anything about your role in Lal Singh Chadda that you can reveal? Anything?
No, I cannot. I cannot. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We'll make do with Black Widows.
All right, then, Veera, it is.
Definitely. We're very excited to see you as a mother, as a wife once again with the twist, with the lover also with Amir Ali. So we're super excited.
And
for
a
that.
killer.
Yeah, of course. The most important. Killer
The
mastermind.
most important. That was the reason I said yes. मैंने कहा क्या पति को मारना है? Yes.
Mastermind murderer Mona. AKA Veera. So thank you so very much for this wonderful chat. All the very best. I'm sure it's going to be amazing, and we'll be waiting for season 2.
Me too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.